Does your cleaning routine resemble a marathon against dust bunnies and pet hair? Do you crave a vacuum that transitions seamlessly between carpets, stairs, and above-floor cleaning? The Kenmore DU5080 Bagless upright vacuum might be the multitasking marvel you've been searching for. This review delves into the features, performance, and overall value of the DU5080, helping you decide if it's the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Transformative Versatility, the power of two. The DU5080 shines with its innovative lift-up canister design. This allows you to quickly detach the canister from the main upright body, transforming it into a lightweight and maneuverable pod. This is a game changer for tackling stairs, furniture, and other above-floor surfaces that can be cumbersome with a full-sized upright. The two-motor system provides strong suction for both the upright and handheld modes, ensuring deep cleaning on carpets, hard floors, and upholstery. HEPA filtration. Breathe easy with cleaner air. If allergies or pet dander are a concern, the DU5080's HEPA filtration system offers a sigh of relief literally. This advanced filtration system captures a staggering 99–97% of dust, dirt, and allergens inside the vacuum, preventing them from recirculating back into the air you breathe. This is particularly beneficial for pet owners, allergy sufferers, and anyone who desires a cleaner and healthier home environment. Lightweight maneuverability. Conquer every corner. Weighing in at under 14 pounds, the DU5080 is a champion of lightweight design. This makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture, navigate stairs especially in the handheld mode, and clean those hard-to-reach corners and crevices. The swivel steering adds further to this ease of use, allowing you to effortlessly clean around obstacles without straining your back. This lightweight design is a major benefit for anyone with limited mobility, busy families on the go, or those simply tired of wrestling with a bulky vacuum cleaner. Reaching new heights, a toolbox for every task, the DU5080 boasts a 10-foot flexible hose that extends your cleaning reach. This allows you to clean a wider variety of surfaces in above-floor cleaning mode, like cobwebs on ceilings, dust on blinds, or pet hair clinging to furniture. Additionally, the vacuum comes with a trio of cleaning tools. 3-in-1 combination tool. This versatile tool combines a crevice tool for reaching tight spaces like corners and baseboards, a dusting brush for furniture and upholstery, and an upholstery tool specifically designed to remove pet hair from fabric surfaces. Pet Handymate. This dedicated handheld tool, paired with the lift-up canister design, becomes a powerful weapon against pet hair on furniture, upholstery, and car interiors. Convenience features for effortless cleaning. The DU5080 prioritizes user-friendliness with several features that streamline your cleaning routine. The bagless design eliminates the need to constantly purchase and replace vacuum bags, saving you money and time. The transparent dust cup allows you to easily see when it needs emptying, minimizing interruptions during cleaning. Additionally, all the attachments are stored neatly on the vacuum itself, keeping everything organized and readily accessible. Is the Kenmore DU5080 Bagless upright vacuum right for you? This vacuum is a great choice for anyone looking for a versatile, lightweight, and user-friendly cleaning solution. Here's who might benefit most. Pet owners. The powerful suction, HEPA filtration, and Pet Handymate all work together to tackle pet hair effectively. Multi-surface homes. Transitions seamlessly between carpets, hard floors, stairs, and above-floor cleaning. Busy families. Quick and efficient cleaning with convenient features makes cleaning less of a chore. What to consider before you buy. While the DU5080 is a great all-rounder, it might not be ideal for everyone. Here are some things to consider. Deep carpet cleaning. For homes with extremely thick carpets, a more powerful upright vacuum might be necessary. Noise level. While not the loudest vacuum on the market, some users might find the noise level a bit high. Overall, the Kenmore DU5080 Bagless upright vacuum is a strong contender in the lightweight, versatile upright category. Its innovative lift-up canister design, powerful suction, HEPA filtration, and array of tools make it a valuable addition to most homes. While it might not be the most powerful machine on the market, it offers excellent value for its price and is a great. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.